Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy sheet pan recipe for you. It is chili sheet pan chicken. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make it. The first thing we need to do is to prep the vegetables.
We'll chop some cauliflower and we'll chop some broccoli too. Then we're going to add some carrots. To that we'll add garlic, ginger, salt, and pepper, and drizzle some oil over top. Then we'll give it a good stir to make sure everything is coated well. And we'll put that in a single layer on our sheet pan. Next we'll add our chicken, and I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breasts here, but you can use any kind of chicken.
Now let me show you how to make the sauce.
First we'll add some soy sauce, then some sweet chili sauce, and finally some garlic, ginger, and salt. And we'll give that a stir to mix it up well. And then we're just going to brush that on our chicken breasts. We'll do one side, and then we're going to flip them over and do the other side, just to make sure they're coated well.
Now we're going to bake the chicken and the veggies in the oven for about 40 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through.
Our chicken is cooked through. It's time to dish it up. First we'll start by adding a little rice to the bowl, and then some of our roasted veggies and the chicken on top. Now doesn't that look good? Looks so delicious.
If you'd like the full printable recipe, you can find the link in the description.
This is such a simple and easy dinner idea. I hope your family loves it.
And if you like this video, be sure to click like. And if you're not a subscriber yet, we would love to have you subscribe to our channel. You can click the subscribe button and be sure to click the bell so you'll know when we have new videos out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.